how excited were you to get, what was it like to get that Forbes 30 under 30?
The Forbes 30 under 30 was crazy. Anyone who's been in my dorm room knows I put up these big vision boards, and that's always been in my dorm, so that was a dream come true, yeah.
And we have some of your work. I know you've said that your photography explores Black power, Black beauty, but also shifting identities. Can you tell us a little bit about what your work has focused on?
Yeah, I feel like with photography, it's my mission to reframe, rethink some of the negative notions that I've learned growing up about being a man, being a Black man in America. Queerness, masculinity, unity, those are themes that like turn up in my work, yeah.
And we're looking at some of your work right now. I know the nails have been a motif throughout your work. Tell us what that means to you. I know you've got them too. You've got some great.
Yeah. I keep my nails done. I did some research recently at Tisch and found out that women in the Ming Dynasty and even ancient Egypt, they would get these nails extensions for status to show that they didn't have to do work. So that was one of the things I was like, okay, if I attach this to men, we can reframe the way we think about masculinity, the way we think about power, things of that nature.